Join me as I take you step by step on how I created this fine line mandala. As you guys may or may not know, I have been doing live stream videos with channel members. In our last video, we went over fine line brush and a bunch of details, and we came up with this design. Now, I challenged everyone to take it from this point and go add to it and manipulate it and make it your own. And maybe we would post something on the community page about how ours turned out. Well, everybody kind of voted that I'll just make a tutorial on the one that I do. So that's what I'm doing today. So I'll be using this little template that we made as a guide to follow along the way. I hope you join me. While I'm drawing out the design, I just want to go over the beginning with you quickly. This is a 6-inch round canvas. It's flat. I gave it 2 coats of black paint. I let it dry for a very long time. I like to do a bunch of them and then just sit them up on the shelf. That way they're always ready and good and cured. Anyway, after that, I went ahead and added my guidelines to it using that 5.5 DIY stencil. Y'all, that's just a download. You can find the link for it down below in the description. There's also some videos down there. It says Beginner's Basic, and there's a whole playlist on how to do base paint, how to do these guidelines, and all sorts of things that you might find very helpful. So if you see me, fast forwarding over something, check down there and see if I don't already have a video on how to elaborate. If not, I would love for you to leave me a comment. I love answering them. I love talking about this art, and you are not going to bother me. Now, I'm going to be quiet so we can enjoy these fine lines. It was about right here that I realized my lines were upside down. If you look at the template we made, these little arrow feather looking things were supposed to go the other way. Y'all, I'm too invested at this point, so I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna own it, I'm gonna roll with it, and keep going. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am loving the way this looked. Our live stream was on Valentine's Day, so that's why I picked all of these colors. I had like berry and poetic plum and love potion. You know, they all kind of sounded Valentine-y. Anyway, I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll remove the guidelines with the wet cotton swab. And then when that's dry, I'll take it outside and give it a quick spray with this sealer. I'm leaving you all of the supplies right here on the screen so that you can get what you want, but there's also a list down in the description that has links on it too. Right now, I want to get to that final reveal. Oh my gosh, you guys, I couldn't be happier with this. To all of my channel members out there, I can't wait to see what you guys came up with. Hopefully you followed the directions of that template a little bit better than I did. But I love this so much. I had so much fun with you guys the other night, and I just want to thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are doing so much for this channel, and you deserve all of the appreciation I can give. Thank you. If anyone else is curious about channel memberships, hit that join button and see if you can join. We are going to be having loads of fun with these live streams. I figure I'll just keep giving little tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, and it'll be fun. Everyone else, if you can't join, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, share this with your friends, do all the things that help me succeed. And until next time, rock on.